Good morning to all. In the previous classes we were discussed the chapter of energy. We know the what is energy. The energy is the ability to do work. Then there will be we discuss the unity of energy, the relationship between the work and energy, the different form of energy, mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, chemical energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, electrical energy, atomic energy or nuclear energy, the two form of mechanical energy, the potential energy and the kinetic energy that are we are discussed in the previous classes. And the two facts of the potential energy, the mass of the body, it is height above the ground, the kinetic energy also effort, the affecting the two points, one will be the mass of the body, another one the speed of the body. Today we are going to discuss the conversion of the potential energy into the kinetic energy. What is meaning of conversion? It means one energy it can change to another kind of energy, that is called the conversion energy. The potential energy changes into the kinetic energy when it is put to the use. Here some uses also is there. The potential energy when changing to the kinetic energy. The following example will make it clear. A hammer at a height has the potential energy. When the hammer will be above the ground level, their storing, that is the potential energy. 2 it is the lifting or rise to the position. Okay, when the hammer is trapped from that position, it begins to fall. The falling hammer has the kinetic energy. Understood now what is the potential energy? The lifting the hammer, that is the potential energy. The trapped from the position, then that is the kinetic energy. The potential energy changing to the kinetic energy. This is called the potential energy, the stored in the hammer, in it is raised to the position, change into the kinetic energy. When the hammer is falling, the kinetic energy does work on the nail as the hammer sticks the nail. Okay, similarly, in the potential energy passed by the stone at a height. Okay, you pick up one stone, that stone will be above the ground level. Okay, the changes into the kinetic energy when it is falls. The kinetic energy of the falling stone does work in the rising the weight upwards. They are also storing up potential energy changing into the kinetic energy. The wooden up watch spring has the potential energy because of the wooden up state as the spring unwinds itself. The potential energy change into the kinetic energy does work in moving the arm of the watch, the showing in the figures. Now the stretched bow has the potential energy because of it is stretched position. When the stretched bow is released, the potential energy change to the kinetic energy. See the some according to showing in the figures. Okay, now the fourth example, the compressed spring has the potential energy in it to it is the compares the state of rest. It means the state of potential energy. When it will be released, it can change into the kinetic energy, does work on the ball placed on it and make the ball to fly away. See the showing in the figures, the spring. Now it is the storing of potential energy. When we are applied one force, that force will be storing. When we can release it, it will be throw it out. The potential energy change to the kinetic energy. From the above the example, they can clear for the potential energy how it can change into the kinetic energy. Okay, these are the use of the potential energy change to the kinetic energy. Now next topic, conversion of one form of energy into the another form, or the transformation of energy. One energy, how it can change the another form of the energy. We have read that the energy, the various form such as the mechanical, heat, light, sound, electrical, etc. One form of the energy can be converted into another form. Some example way we can understood the how it can change it. For the example number 1, the chemical energy of a coal fire change into energy of the steam. Then the heat engine steam change into the mechanical energy. The case is the train to moving. Simple example, when we are filled petrol in our bike or car, that is the chemical energy. The chemical energy, when we are starting, the chemical energy change to the mechanical energy. The bike will be moving. Again the mechanical energy change to the light energy, sound energy, heat energy. Okay, it can change the one form to another form. In the electric motor fan, the electrical energy change into the mechanical energy. This energy rotate the axis of the blade. Okay, the motor, the electric energy change into the mechanical energy. Now the electric heater change to the heat energy. The electric bulb, the chemical energy change to the electric energy. In the glowing bulb, the electrical energy change to the heat energy as well as the light energy also. Okay, in the electric fan. The electric generator or dynamo, the mechanical energy change into the electrical energy. Now the microphone of the sound energy change into the electrical energy. Understood? No one energy, how it can change to the another form. Now see the in the loudspeaker, the electrical energy change into the sound energy. During the photosynthesis, the light energy received from the sun into the chemical energy from preparing the food. When the fire crackers, the chemical energy change into the heat, sound and the light energy. When you do physical exercise, running, the chemical energy, food stored in the, you change into the kinetic or mechanical energy. These are the some example how the energy can converted the one form to another form. The tabular is given, the tri-cell, electrical motor, doorbell, table fan, photosynthesis. The form of some example are given. The one form of energy, how it can change to the another form of the energy. The form of the conversion during the motion from P to C, the kinetic energy change into the potential energy. Therefore, the potential energy increasing and they become E1, while the kinetic energy decreasing to the energy minus the E1. At the each position A, B, C are the total sum of the potential energy and the kinetic energy remaining the same, equal to the energy. Note that here we have the neglected the fractions as they illustrate the conversion of the energy in the rolling coaster, showing that the each point sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy is 40,000 joule. For the potential energy 40,000 joule, no, there it we can divide it in the potential energy and the kinetic energy, it can divide in the half. Again the potential energy is 7500 joule. The kinetic energy will be 32,500. Now the final stage, the potential energy will be 5000 joule. The kinetic energy will be 35,000 joule. The vertically fall from a ball falling vertically downwards from a height is another example of the conversion of a mechanical energies. When the ball is the stationary at the point A, when the ball will be in the height of the A, that time the potential energy is equal to the energy. That time kinetic energy will be 0. Again the ball will be following down. That time the potential energy also, kinetic energy also, the half of the energies. Then finally that ball will be reaching in the ground. That time potential energy will be 0. The kinetic energy is equal to the energies. Okay. Now see as the ball starting fall down, it is the potential energy change into the kinetic energy. When the height of the ball, the potential energy it can change into the kinetic energy. At the height half above the ground, the half of the potential energy converted into the kinetic energy. So the potential energy is the half of the energy as well as the kinetic energy also half of the energy. And the reaching the point C on the ground, all of the potential energy has converted into the kinetic energy. So at the C, the potential energy is the 0 and the kinetic energy is equal to the energy. We notice that during the vertical, the falling of the ball, the fraction to the air, the negligate because of the air between in the surrounding, it can affecting for that object. The total sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy at the each point, the both remaining the same. The given the activities, it can make it understood. The production of the hydroelectricity, the water source. Water is the motion in the river or sea. The kinetic energy, the passed by the following water. The following, when the storing of the energy, the releasing in the channel, it can potential energy converted to the kinetic energy. The water is called the hydro energy. The most important use of the hydro energy producing the electricity. What are the use of the hydro energy? It is the use for the producing the electricity. What is the principle of the hydroelectricity power plant? The following water in the river collecting the dam height altitude, the water stored in the dam has the potential energy. The storing of the water is the potential energy. When the water from the dam falling on the water turbine, the potential energy changing to the kinetic. By the following figures way we can understood. The water, the river water in the dam, when the releasing, the turbine will be rotating, a rotating time, the armature will be the connected to the magnet, it can producing the electric generator of the water storing the dam change into it is kinetic energy, and the kinetic energy of the water transfer to the plate turbine as the kinetic energy which rotating. As the turbine rotate, the armature of the generator will be producing the electricities. Okay. Today classes we are learning for the conversion of the energies. Okay. And the what are the useful is there, the conversion of energy, the how it can change it to one form to another form. Some example way we can discuss it, and the conversion energy, the potential energy, how it can change into the kinetic energy, the production of the hydroelectricity, what is the use of the hydroelectricity, the producing the electricities from the water. Okay. This chapter are completed. Next class we will discuss the question answer. Okay. The energy chapter we are mainly note the points, that points are will be next class we will discuss what are the main points are there in the chapter of energy, that we can discuss for the next classes. Go through for the videos and revise it. Next class we can discuss for the main points of the energy. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.